Welcome to the next video of digital electronics series. We are covering here representation of signed numbers. There are two ways of representing signed numbers. First one is sign magnitude form and the second one is complement form, means 2's complement or 1's complement. Most digital computers use this method to store signed numbers as it requires only adding circuit to perform subtraction and addition also division and multiplication can also be performed using the same method, same circuit, means adding circuit, because division and addition, division is performed by repeated subtraction and multiplication is performed by repeated addition. First we will discuss sign magnitude form. In sign magnitude form, a bit is added for the sign bit in front of the binary number, means this is 41 and this is the binary equivalent of this 41, 101001, and we have added sign bit for this sign, means we have added in front of this binary number 0. This is for positive signs. We add for positive sign 0 and for negative sign 1, and the rest is, this is called the magnitude, means this is 41, this binary equivalent of 41, and this is the sign bit, 0 for positive and 1 for negative. Now we will see how signed numbers can be represented using 1's or the 2's complement. There are two rules for representing these numbers, means signed numbers, using 2's and the 1's complement. First one is, if the number is positive, the number is represented in true binary form and the single, means sign bit 0 is placed as the most significant bit. And the second rule is, if the number is negative, magnitude is represented in 2's or 1's complement form and the sign bit 1 is added as the most significant bit. Here we will see it now. When we represent a signed number, means signed positive number, the number is same in case of 1's complement, 2's complement, or in the signed magnitude form. This will remain the same. Now we'll write the 1's complement form of the signed number. In case of negative numbers, we place 1 as the sign bit. So we will place 1 first at place of the sign bit. It is the most significant bit. Now we will convert this 41 in binary form and then convert it to the 1's complement. This is the true binary form of 41, and now we will convert it in the 1's complement form. So to convert in 1's complement form, we will revert all the digits, means 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. So the 1's complement form is, this will be 0, this will 1, this will be 1, this will be 0, and this will be 1, and this will be 0. So this is the 1's complement form. This is 1's complement form of signed numbers. In case of 2's complement form, means negative number in 2's complement form, always we represent 1's or 2's complement form, they are always the negative numbers. So we will place 1 here in place of the sign bit. So this most significant bit is the sign bit and we will place 1 here to make it negative. And now as it is 2's complement, so we will convert it into 2's complement. And to convert 2's complement, we will add 1 to the 1's complement form. So as this is the true binary, this is the true binary form and this is its 1's complement, we will add 1 to this number and we will get the 2's complement form. So we will add 1 here, 0 plus 1, 1, and the rest will remain the same. It will be 1, 1, 0, 1 and 0. And now this is the 2's complement form. This is all for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.